how to add songs to Spotify on Android. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add songs to your Spotify account on Android. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to click on your profile at the top left, and then over here, you're going to click on settings and privacy. Once you do so, scroll down till you find the option of apps and devices. Click on that. And then over here, scroll down till you find the option of local audio files. It lets you add tracks from this device to your library. So the tracks need to be on your phone in order for them to be imported in your Spotify account. So make sure you have all of those tracks on your phone. And then you're going to simply toggle this button and go to your library. Over here, you're going to click on local files. And once you do so, you'll be able to see all of those files visible over here. If you are doing it for the first time, you might see an option of allow. Simply click on allow and that's it. That is how you can add songs to Spotify on Android, or how you can add your local files from your phone to Spotify. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.